Today's topic for discussion is 7 benefits of e-commerce. Number 1, in online business. You don't need to deliver order to customers. Doorstep logistics will do it. Number 2, you don't need to have much stock as compared to an offline business. Number 3, in online business. There is no sales on loan. You have to pay instantly for your purchase. Number 4, you can start your business from your own warehouse or home. Number 5, you can set your profit margin according to your own will. You just need to keep in mind competitor price. Number 6, while doing online business, you can target more geographical area as compared to an offline business. Number 7, you can even start your business from a single product. You don't need to have multiple products to take start. If you find it informative, then share it with others.